Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word trespassed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The sign clearly stated that no one was allowed on the property after dark, but a group of teenagers trespassed onto the land and were caught by the security guard. Trespassed means to enter or access a place unlawfully or without permission, typically onto someone else's property or restricted areas. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.